what happens during a probate in simple terms? Probate is initiated by filing a petition with the courts that tells the world what happened. This person passed, they were married, not married, they had kids, they had a will or no will, they lived there, they may have some assets listed, and that stays with the courts, and notice has to be given to the people entitled to it, and maybe even published in the paper that a hearing is coming up where the person who initiated probate likely is applying to be appointed as personal representative. What does that mean? It means that someone is saying, hey courts, appoint me to be in charge of handling everything on behalf of the deceased person. Once they get appointed, sworn in by the judge, then they can start collecting all assets. Let's say, hey, there is a house. Okay, what should we do? I guess we can sell it, or if the will says otherwise. Collecting bank accounts, life insurance, investments, whatever does not have a beneficiary listed or another way of going, they put that money into a pot. They have to publish in the paper and notify all known creditors. So if the deceased owe any money to someone, they can come and submit a claim with the estate, with the probate process, asking to be paid. The personal representative, if there is enough money or there is a way of sorting out creditors, pay however much they can, or whomever is filing a valid claim. Then a final accounting is sent out to the heirs. If property was sold or it's still in the estate, or this is how much money we have, this is how much money we paid on creditors. And usually about 30 days after that final accounting is sent out and submitted with the courts, the probate is ready to be closed, where the personal representative goes in front of a judge, says, Judge, I did everything I had to. I collected all the assets, I paid all the debts, taxes, I handled all creditors, and this is the money that is left over to be distributed, and this is how I think it should go based on if the person had a will, or if not, on the Oklahoma laws. These are the bare bones of a very, very simple probate. In fact, probate can get a lot more complicated if people are contesting the will, if there is not enough money to pay creditors, for example, if people don't agree on the division of property, and so on. A probate is a public process. Anyone can come in and sit and listen to the family drama. It's expensive, time-consuming. Ideally, you sit down with us or with an attorney and come up with a plan to avoid probate. But if you do have to file for probate, have us in mind. We're always happy to help. Talk to you over the phone for a free phone call consultation to make sure a probate is indeed needed. Be sure to watch our other educational videos. We have lots and lots of videos on probate, when it's needed, what triggers it, how to avoid it. And email me if you have any topics for future videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and maybe attend one of our in-person educational events. Thank you for watching and keep in touch.